Welcome to Quick Tips for Viadango. This tip, you can use gravel from like an aquarium, or you can use rock salt, which is what I prefer. You buy at the store. You take the rock salt and you place it on top of the leather that's after it's been wetted down. And you'll see here in the next video here quickly that how I'm doing that. Applying water to the leather, getting some rock salt, just sprinkling it down onto the leather in a random kind of pattern, because I don't want to repeat anything. I want it to look very organic, as if it was done naturally rather than done by some kind of press or roll-on press. Place a plate over that, and then you're going to crush it. And you're going to hear it as you're crushing it. Once you've applied enough pressure and crushed it satisfactorily where you feel that it's made an impression, take the leather out, brush off the rock salt, and you have your final product. Now, once that's been accomplished, you can apply dye to it. And you can get these rich textures and colors, and it looks very organic and vibrant, as if it was a rock, not a piece of leather anymore. Hope this has been helpful, and thanks for watching.